Changing the oil on this old garbage parts bike just to preserve the motor. What a nice guy. Did you hear what I said? I took an old garbage salvage bike that got water into the crankcase and I changed the oil in it. I care about things. Hey, this is Oscar again. I got a major mess in my yard from trying to clean things up, create a bigger mess. I got my yard back here. I had to clean the shed out, the back end, because I'm putting in this little studio, but then all the stuff went out on the yard. The latest on my little studio, it's actually a tool shed, storage shed that I've turned into a 10 by 10. All the walls have been drywalled. Anyway, that's another project. What I'm saying is these are two motorcycles that I've got. They're CB750s. They're awesome machines, man. They're 1980s, 1981s. And they're awesome machines for their day. Anyway, I decided not to fix them, just to sell them, to have somebody that's got a shop that can use it. So I'm trying to sell those today, or this week, or something I've had for years, and I just keep thinking I'm gonna get back to it and can't get to it. So I'm gonna try to sell those this weekend, or within this week or so, run an ad. CB750 Hondas. If you know anything about them, you can appreciate it. In this case, it's depreciated. They've been depreciated. Now this one's got a windjammer. It's all complete. This is basically the parts bike. $29,000 miles on this one, and the 39,000 on this one. Apparently sweet machines. There's a police officer over there. He's over there parked at the high school. Okay, this is Oscar here with my two old motorcycles. And I was showing this to a guy, and he looked at the oil, and he left the oil cap off, and so that night it rained and got some water in it. So I immediately got on it to change it. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go to lunch, looks like, and I'm just gonna crack this bolt. Here's the bolt for the oil. It's a number 17 millimeter. It's not gonna be pleasant. Take a hammer and tap it. Okay. All right. We got a really low ground level here. I dug it out. I'm gonna take a bottle and I'm gonna cut the top of them off. Stick it under there. Never rush anything. In a big hurry to take my wife to lunch. It's supposed to be fun. Don't drop the plug. It's like there's water in here. Oh my gosh, look at all the water. That's all it is water. That was a good call. Now we're getting the oil out. Okay, we got about 2.5 quarts. I'm gonna have to put the plug back in. It's not gonna stop. Okay, pour this into another container. You ready? Okay. Hopefully this is the last drain. Okay. Let's put this over here. Here, take your phone. Hi. How are you? Yeah, please. We're at the buffet. There, perfect. Thank you. All right. Oranges. We have shrimp, mushrooms, enchiladas, chicken, roast beef, sour cream, rice, jalapeno peppers, pineapples, all the above. Okay. All right, we're going to give thanks and then we're going to say amen. Soda water is the best. No sugar. Got lemon and a lime in it. All right. Let's get out of here.
Okay, we've been here for about 2 hours at a Festall, Eat All. So let's get out of here.
Alright, have a good day.
Drained it completely. I'm going to put the plug back on. Here's the plug. We get the plug back on. Pull this out. Put the plug back in so we can get some new oil in here. You always want to contain your oil. Oil is typically clear or blue, or if it's been used, it's black. In this case, it's got a little bit of white in it, which comes from water, but it didn't circulate and rotate, it just dripped in. But usually when oil and water churn together, it's white. All right. See you, sweetie. She's got to go run some errands. Sweetie's got to go run some errands. See ya. Bye-bye. Yeah, you always contain the oil. It's common practice now to contain your oil. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of oil in here. All right, grab some oil. When you're in the oil business, you have to protect the opening with a rag. So here's the Castrol HD30, expensive oil for a used rig. You put your tarp here so you don't drip anything on the ground. And if you do drip a little bit, you can clean it right away. You can also use a funnel, but these are kind of designed as a funnel already. Oh. Yeah! I'm coming! I gotta check and see what's going on. It's an unusual call. Okay, it's full. And clean, clear. Changed the oil on this old garbage parts bike just to preserve the motor. What a nice guy. Did you hear what I said? I took an old garbage salvage bike that got water into the crankcase and I changed the oil in it. I care about things.